Meaning of ETD.
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 ETD. ETD stands for Estimated Time of Departure. It refers to the expected or predicted time at which a transportation vehicle, such as an airplane, train, or bus, is scheduled to depart from its departure point. The ETD is an important piece of information for travelers as it allows them to plan their journey accordingly, including arriving at the airport or station on time and making necessary arrangements before departure. In the case of delays or changes in the ETD, passengers can be informed in advance, allowing them to adjust their travel plans accordingly and avoid inconveniences.